Bosco friends. My name is Irina Francken and I work in company IN Fiduciary Services. On the 12th of May, I will speak about asset protection structures and how we have to manage our wealth in this particularly uncertain situation. We were dealing and operating in uncertain times for many decades, but this is the first time I will speak about the virus. When we were talking about uncertainties like FATCA, automatic exchange of information, or CFC, it was different kind of uncertainties. The virus is different because we can't control it. We need in our lives to have something solid. We need to remember about something which can ground us and which can give us control. I believe that our wealth, our assets, our businesses, there is that kind of solid rock which we have to take into consideration and which we have to start planning. Planning our needs, look through the past and really sort out of all past issues. This is a particular subject which I would like to discuss with you on the 12th of May, and I invite you to come for that webinar. Join me in the discussion and questions. Thank you very much and stay healthy, stay at home. See you on the 12th of May for Bosco webinar. Bye.